Hello everybody, I'm Chef John, and welcome to this first segment. First of all, I want to thank you for your consideration of this wonderful recipe called Cajun chicken. It's one of my favorite recipes, and I'm sure you're going to love it too. I'm going to take you through the method on how to execute this recipe and show you how easy it is and how delicious it's going to be. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. So I'm not going to execute 100 pieces of chicken today, just a few. I've modified it down so you can kind of understand how it's supposed to look and how you're going to execute it. So after you pulled your chicken from your brine, you're going to season it with your salt, pepper, garlic, and Cajun. And I'm going to give you a few choices here. You can either grill it or give it a good sear. That's gonna give us a nice juicy piece of chicken because it's airline chicken. We want to sear all those flavors in there. Okay, so once you've seared it or grilled it, you want it to look something like this right here. This is a beautiful thing. It's seared. It's looking beautiful. It's ready to put in the oven when you're ready to execute the full recipe. All right, to our next step, oil in pot. We got our garlic. You want to make sure it's on low. Heat your oil, but we don't want this garlic to burn. We just want to brown it. And the reason for that is, some of you might say, why just all straight butter? When it's fried with the garlic, I like to do that because it gives it this whole nother flavor to it. It lets the garlic kind of explode into this roasted tasting garlic. And remember, we're doing Cajun now, so Cajun is all about garlic. So after you get it down to where you get your garlic to where it's just turning brown, then we're gonna add our butter. Butter is that flavor. So we're gonna let this brown, and then we're gonna add our butter. Okay, nice brown, just like that. Then we're gonna add our butter. You melt that down. Once it's melted, you add your cream. But if you notice the color of the garlic, it's not burned, it's brown. That is perfect. Oh, money, right? Okay, once it's melted, we're gonna add our cream. All right, cream and milk time. We're going in. Once that in, your salt, pepper, garlic, and Cajun. You give that a stir, and you're gonna reduce it. So we're gonna set it aside on low, let it reduce, and gonna work on our Cajun sauce. Real simple. All right, Cajun sauce, real simple. Gonna put in your hot sauce, and you're gonna bring it to a simmer, just like that. Barbecue. That's what's gonna help give it some flavor, and it miles out the heat in it also. Because a lot of people think Cajun might be too spicy for me. This recipe is a mild Cajun sauce. And it's got a great flavor, as you will soon find out. So what you want to do is just bring this to a simmer. You want the two components to kind of combine together and do its thing. Then you're going to add this to your cream once it's reduced. And then we're going to add a roux to it and finish it up. And there we are. All right, ready? Here it is. Cajun sauce in, stirring. Throw all that bad boy in here. Next, roasted bell peppers. In, stir that in there. Still going. Okay, next. Stirring, roux time. Remember, I put it on the recipe, desired thickness. Because I know a lot of chefs out there, some sauces that like real thick, some medium thick. It's your desire. It's desired thickness. So let's put that in there. And then after that, we are ready to serve. And here we are. This is what you should be coming out with. We're going to lay the sauce on there very nicely. It's got a good body to it. I'm going to garnish it a little bit of tomato, or as much as you want. A little bit of parsley, and if you want, put a lemon on there. There we go. But that's it. That is the recipe. Now, the rules do say subject to change. So, to the chefs that are watching, if you like this recipe and there's something you want to change about it, hey, I learned it from somebody, made my own adjustments. But why stop there? You like it? You want to add something to it? Take it away? Let's take it to the limit. Why stop there? The sky's the limit, right? Okay, so that is the recipe, Cajun chicken. Hope you enjoy it. I'm Chef John, and I hope to see you soon. And as always, have fun and keep cooking. Do it over.